Hey everyone, good morning. Max here with the Easy VC Brief, trying a new film mode here with the iPhone. But I need to, of course, mention today the news. The fact that we are at day 6 of a war with Iran leaves me conflicted, sad, and questioning our overall system. But I have found that in these moments of reflection and confusion, it's best to deep dive into a singular topic to keep my mind engaged. So today's pod is going to be a bit different. It's a shorter pod, but I'm going to focus on a deep tech topic close to my heart: biomanufacturing and climate tech. Today, we're going to deep dive on the feedstock problem of biomanufacturing, why it's been so hard to solve, and a company called Mothership Materials that might have cracked it. They are raising capital, so DM me if you want an intro. Anyway, the billion-dollar graveyard. For 20 years, some of the smartest people in biotech tried to turn agricultural waste into sugar, the kind microbes eat to make everything from bioplastics to alternative proteins to safe aviation fuel. Almost all of them failed spectacularly. Kior hit a $1.7 billion market cap, promising to turn pine trees into fuel, bankrupt in 2014. Range Fuels burned through $156 million in federal money. Mascoma took over $100 million for ethanol plants that were never built. Why? Because extracting sugar from plant waste is like trying to crack a safe that evolution spent millions of years designing. Cellulose is locked inside a fortress of lignin and hemicellulose, and breaking it open requires expensive chemicals, expensive enzymes, and expensive cleanup. At the end of all that, your sugar still costs 2 to 3 times more than just buying corn syrup. It's a cost problem inside a chemistry problem inside a logistics problem, like a Russian nesting doll of pain. Meanwhile, the precision fermentation industry is stuck feeding its microbes with food-grade sugar from corn and sugarcane. It works, but it's a sustainability paradox and still requires a new climate solution. Enter Mothership Materials. Founded in 2022 by Joe Marini, a 4-time founder, and Agnes Ostafen, a PhD chemical physicist. They came out of IndieBio backed by SOSV. Here's the key difference. They're not trying to crack that evolutionary safe. Instead, they go after food processing waste, orange peels, juice bioproducts, and agricultural side streams, where the sugars are already accessible. Their technology is called targeted molecule recovery. Picture a portable centrifuge the size of a photo booth that costs $50,000 to build. It spins waste at low RPM and sorts molecules by density, like a coin sorter, but for biochemicals. 1 input, up to 5 outputs: sugar, cellulose, essential oils, lipids. 20 tons per hour, solar powered, and deployed directly at the waste source. Why does this matter? Biomanufacturing could supply 60% of the world's physical materials, a $4 trillion opportunity. But feedstock is up to 80% of production costs. No cheap feedstock, no bioeconomy, period. Mothership is the missing infrastructure layer. Just like the energy transition needs batteries and grid upgrades, the bioeconomy needs someone cracking the input cost equation just as much as the infrastructure equation. Mothership found a smarter path: go where the molecules already are. Is this going to help drive biomanufacturing in the future? We'll see. But sometimes the best deep tech isn't the most complex. It's the most elegant. That's the Easy VC Brief. I hope you learned a little bit today and kept that mind in the present. See you next week. As always, keep building.